Have you been looking for a home in North Florida and you've been intimidated by CDD fees? They just seem really expensive, but at the same time, you really want rockstar amenities. Well, I've got great news for you. There is an amazing neighborhood located in St. Johns County. It's called Silverleaf, and they've got rockstar amenities and a ton of great homes. And they also have a bunch of restaurants and stuff coming in. It's an up-and-coming area in St. Johns County. So excited to share with you the Sierra floor plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, roughly 2,300 square feet. Can't wait to share it with you. Now listen, if you have any questions about moving to St. Johns County, whether it's to Silverleaf or another neighborhood, we would love to hear from you. We can't wait to show you this home.